Welcome to my channel, where we embrace the art of crocheting and the charm of mushrooms. I'm excited to share my small project of crocheting colorful mushrooms that are perfect for adding life and color to any room in your home or workspace. Mushrooms are fascinating creatures with their unique shapes and vibrant colors. Through crochet, I bring the magic of mushrooms to life, creating pieces that are not only visually stunning but also therapeutic to make. Crochet is a beautiful art form that offers numerous benefits to creativity and mental and physical health. Join me on this journey as we create colorful, trendy, and stress-relieving mushrooms. Let's get started. I'm using this I Love This yarn, metallic, number 4 and a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook, some scissors, yarn needle, and stitch markers. We're gonna start with the magic ring, and we're gonna make 6 single crochet into the ring. We're gonna start with a chain, and first single crochet, second, now we're not going to slip a stitch right here because we're gonna work in a continuous spiral. So here we're going to make 2 single crochets in the very first chain. Make 1 and 2, and we're gonna make 2 in each stitch around. We're gonna end up with 12 stitches. So I'll meet you guys right at the end. Here I'm gonna use a stitch marker, and make sure you always mark the last stitch of the round. So let's go to the next round. We're gonna start with 1 single crochet in the first stitch and 2 in the next. 1 and 2, and now we repeat that pattern. 1, and in the next 2, and we continue like that around until the end. Remember to mark the last stitch with a stitch marker. In the next round, we're gonna make 1 single crochet around, and we're gonna end up with 18 single crochets. In the next round, we're gonna make 1 single crochet around, in the next round, we're gonna make 1 single crochet in the next 9 stitches, and then we're gonna make 2 single crochets in the same stitch. This is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and now 2 in the same stitch, 1 and 2, and we're gonna repeat that around, and we're gonna end up with 22 stitches. The next round, we're gonna make 1 single crochet in the first stitch and 2 single crochet in the next one, and we're gonna repeat that pattern, 1 and 2. We're gonna do this around, and we're gonna end up with 33 stitches. And now here at the end, I'm gonna slip a stitch to join and to close this round. I'm gonna fasten off. I'm gonna start using this white yarn to make the stalk of the mushroom. and I'm gonna make a magic ring. And we're gonna work in continuous spiral. And now we're gonna make 12 single crochets into the ring. We're gonna start with a chain 1 and 12 single crochets. Meet you guys right at the end. Now we're gonna single crochet in the first stitch, and we're gonna single crochet 2 times in the next stitch, 1 and 2, and we're going to repeat that 1 2 1 2 around, and we end up with 18 stitches. Now we're gonna work in the back loop only, and we're gonna make 1 single crochet around, we're gonna end up with 18 single crochets in the back loop only. So I'll meet you guys right at the end. Guys, in the next round we're gonna make a decrease, so we're gonna make a single crochet 2 together right here at the beginning. So we're gonna insert the hook in the first stitch, yarn over, pull through, you have 2 loops in your hook. You're not gonna finish this single crochet right now, but instead you go to the next stitch, you insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, you have 3 loops in your hook. Now you're gonna yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops, and that's a decrease done right there. And now we're gonna make 16 single crochets around, and this is a normal single crochet, 3 4 5, we're gonna make 16, so I'll meet you guys right at the end. Next round we're gonna make exactly the same. We're gonna make a decrease right at the beginning, so we make single crochet 2 together right here at the beginning, and when the decrease is done you're gonna make 15 single crochets around. So I'll meet you guys right at the end. Now we're gonna make 6 single crochet, 1 in each stitch, 2 3 4 5 and 6, and in the next stitch we're gonna make a decrease, single crochet 2 together, and now we're gonna repeat again, 1 single crochet in the next 6 stitches, 3 4 5 and 6, and in the next 2 stitches we're gonna make a decrease. And as always, we are going to mark this very last stitch with a stitch marker. The next round we're gonna make 1 single crochet in the next 5 stitches, 2 3 4 and 5, and in the next 2 we're gonna make a decrease, and we're gonna repeat that. So I'll meet you guys right at the end. In the next 6 rounds we're gonna make 1 single crochet in each stitch around, so I'll meet you guys right at the end. Now you're gonna end up with something like this.
There you have a cute little mushroom.
If you like this video, consider subscribing and I'll see you guys in the next project. Bye!